Look, that's cheating.
11. 13. 19. 20. Here I come. Where are you? Are you here? Caught you!
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. No.
Come on, you can still win. Again?
1920. Here I come.
Here I come.
No. Hey.
Don't get angry. You haven't lost that many times. Okay, so you've lost every time.
We can't play like this. We gotta stop his hiccups.
I know. Do what Grandma does. To stop hiccuping, she holds her breath like this.
This trick is better. Suck a lemon.
Try drinking upside down.
No.
Of course, that's it. Hiccups are a pain, but don't you worry, because we're going to get rid of them. It's playtime. Quickly, panda back. Claws, teeth, monster voices. Boo!
Soft.
Soft? I'm not soft. I'm scary. Roar.
Soft. But we have to scare you to get rid of your hiccups.
Be scared. Boo!
We're not gonna scare anyone ever. Ah!
You'll soon be better because we're going to give you the fright of your life.
I know where we went wrong, just like real actors. You ready? 1, 2, and...
Roar!
Roar! Boo! Ooh!
Something tells me we haven't really got the hang of scaring yet.
That's what acting's all about. Rehearse and rehearse until you're a champion scarer. Oh. Oh, hiccup. It was you.
Yeah, the best monster of all. But you've still got the hiccups. Don't you worry. We can still get rid of them. Being a monster rocks. much fun being a monster.
Although we haven't been able to get rid of your hiccups. Wait a minute, that eek is Ramona?
It was Ramona the whole time.
Ramona!
You totally fooled us.
And we finally managed to get rid of his hiccups.
Cuquin's giving you the hiccups.
No!
Oh.
Monster!
Nothing that monsters can't solve. And the best thing is, now I know what I want to be when I grow up. A monster.